Well, welcome back. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and in the New River Valley alone, in 2019, more than 400 cases of child abuse were reported. 32 of those were sexual abuse. And it wasn't until last month that female minor survivors of sexual abuse had a safe space to stay. Some who were recovering were put in behavioral homes, foster homes, and even detention centers. Here with us to tell us more about Roanoke's new facility and what this means for recovering teen girls are Kathleen, Arnold, and Carolyn Minix with Lampstand. Thanks so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thanks for having us.
So first off, for folks at home who may not be familiar or who don't even know, can you explain to us what is Lampstand and the services that it offers to survivors of sexual exploitation?
Absolutely. So we are a nonprofit here in the Roanoke Valley area. We provide a safe home for juveniles who are experiencing trafficking, 12 to 17 for that. We also provide wraparound services for youth that might have a safe space to land, but they need other services, as well as adults and males. So we provide that as well. And then we also do awareness. We're in a lot of the schools around here, providing that prevention curriculum.
Yeah. Now, we know a lot of agencies have been reporting an increase in abuse cases during the pandemic specifically. Have you all been seeing that reflected in your services at all?
Absolutely, yes. COVID has just increased the vulnerabilities that we're seeing. It's a huge just vulnerability maker, unfortunately. And so because of that, those vulnerabilities are what traffickers and other people exploit. And so we're definitely seeing more increase in numbers, yeah.
And to be able to have a shelter like the Lampstand to go to, what does that mean for survivors of abuse?
It's huge. I mean, to be able to actually address their vulnerabilities instead of just going to a general place, they might have their needs met, but they're not really addressing the things that could lead to re-exploitation. And so that's what we are specifically designed to do and trained to do. We've been training for years and years to be able to do this.
And how do you get connected to those survivors?
Well, first, we would like to have a referral that's done to the program, and that can be found on our website, thelampstandva.org. And in that information, it would allow us to send an application or a SETS form that evaluates their need or the possibility. There should be a suspicion or confirmation of sexual exploitation. The girl should be between the ages of 17 and 12, a female resident of Virginia. And then we could actually staff the case and determine if we can meet her needs and if she would fit into the program so that we can actually help her.
Yeah.
And now you mentioned your website, and I had the chance to look over it before the show started, and I saw that you all offer a lot of training services for businesses regarding human trafficking. Can you explain how can businesses take advantage of this type of training, and then what all does that training entail?
Yeah. On our website, we actually have get connected to a speaker form that they can fill out, and we can come in and provide, we can tailor it to the organization. It's really important that we train those people who are in service, where they might serve the survivor at a hospital or with food or at a hotel or really any of those service providers. And so we are able to come in and tailor it to what signs they might be seeing and provide that training for them.
And also prevention. Just went into Virginia Western to the nursing program there. And we're trying to collaborate with other healthcare facilities in the area. We'll be meeting with task force in the region and throughout the state so that they can become more aware. And I think the government, today's government, is actually very, I guess they try to help us in a lot of ways that will not only promote our program and the safety of the girls as well.
Yeah, and part of that is a new bill that would require hotel staff to be trained.
Absolutely.
That's a good element of it.
Absolutely. Certainly. I know sometimes it can be a difficult topic, but it is so important to talk about it and to let folks know that you're there. You're there for the teens. All right. Well, Kathleen, Arnold, and Carolyn Minix with the Lampstand Safehome, thank you so much for sharing this information and telling us about this today.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Thank you. Thank you.